Ever feel like your computer is powered by hamsters running on a wheel? You know the feeling. You sit down, ready to get some work done or maybe just browse the web, and suddenly, everything grinds to a halt. It's as if a tiny hamster is struggling to keep up with your demands. You click, you wait, you click again, and still nothing. The frustration builds as you watch that little spinning icon, mocking you with every rotation. That spinning loading icon is mocking you. We've all been there. It's like the computer is playing a cruel joke, testing your patience with every second that ticks by. The frustration of a slow PC can make even the simplest tasks feel impossible. But don't worry, there's hope. You don't have to live with a sluggish computer forever. You don't need a brand new computer to experience blazing fast speeds. Sometimes all it takes is a little bit of maintenance and a few upgrades to breathe new life into your old machine. Just like a car needs a tune-up, your computer needs some regular maintenance to stay in top shape. Think of it as giving your computer a spa day where it gets pampered and rejuvenated. In this guide, we'll show you how to transform your sluggish PC into a speed machine. You'll be amazed at the difference a few simple tweaks can make. We'll cover everything from simple beginner steps to more advanced techniques. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. The best part, all the tools and methods we recommend are completely free and safe to use. You won't have to spend a dime to get your computer running like new. Get ready to say goodbye to lag and hello to a smoother, faster computing experience. With our tips and tricks, you'll be back to enjoying a seamless, efficient computer in no time. Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand why your computer might be running slow. There are several factors that can contribute to a sluggish computer, and identifying the root cause is the first step towards fixing it. Think of it like a doctor diagnosing a patient. You wouldn't want to just start taking random pills without knowing the root cause, right? Similarly, we need to diagnose the specific issues affecting your computer's performance. One common culprit is having too many programs running in the background. These programs consume valuable system resources such as CPU and memory, which can significantly slow down your computer. Imagine trying to run a marathon while carrying a backpack full of rocks. It's going to slow you down, right? The same principle applies to your computer when it's burdened with too many active applications. Similarly, too many programs can bog down your computer's resources. Closing unnecessary applications and managing startup programs can help free up these resources. Another possibility is outdated drivers. Drivers are like translators between your computer's hardware and software. When they are outdated, they can cause communication issues that lead to performance problems. Outdated drivers can lead to conflicts and slowdowns. Regularly updating your drivers ensures that your hardware and software can communicate efficiently. Additionally, your computer's settings might not be optimized for performance. Tweaking settings such as power options, visual effects, and startup programs can make a noticeable difference. It's like driving a sports car in eco mode. You're not utilizing its full potential. Adjusting these settings can help your computer run more efficiently. We'll show you how to unleash the hidden power of your PC. By addressing these common issues, you can significantly improve your computer's speed and overall performance. Stay tuned for our step-by-step guide to optimizing your PC. One of the easiest ways to speed up your computer is by getting rid of unnecessary programs. These programs can take up valuable space on your hard drive and use up system resources, even when you're not actively using them. By removing them, you can free up space and make your computer run more efficiently. Think of it as digital decluttering. Just like a tidy desk can help you focus better, a clean and organized computer can improve its performance and make it easier for you to find what you need. Do you really need that weather app you haven't opened in months? It's just sitting there taking up space and possibly even running in the background, using up resources. Or that game you downloaded but never play. These unused programs can add up over time, slowing down your system and making it harder to find the apps you actually use. Uninstalling these unused programs frees up valuable space on your hard drive and reduces the load on your system's resources. This can lead to faster boot times, quicker application launches, and an overall smoother experience. It's like cleaning out your closet and getting rid of clothes you never wear. Feels good, right? Just as a clutter-free closet makes it easier to find your favorite outfits, a decluttered computer makes it easier to find and use your favorite programs. Here's how to uninstall programs in Windows. It's a simple process that anyone can do, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. First, click on the Windows Start button. This will open up the Start menu, where you can access all the settings and programs on your computer. Then, type Add or Remove Programs in the search bar and press Enter. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage all the installed programs on your computer. Next, scroll through the list of installed programs. Take your time to review each one and decide whether you really need it or not. Finally, click on the program you want to remove and select Uninstall. It's that simple. The program will be removed from your computer, freeing up space and resources. Repeat this process for any other programs you don't use regularly. By doing this periodically, you can keep your computer running smoothly and efficiently. Remember, less is more when it comes to maintaining a fast and efficient computer. Imagine you're trying to leave your house in the morning, but you have to open and close a dozen different doors just to get outside. That's what it's like for your computer when too many programs are set to start automatically when you turn it on. Disabling unnecessary startup programs can significantly speed up your computer's boot time and free up resources for other tasks. You can control which programs launch at startup using the Task Manager. First, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager, then click on the Startup tab. You'll see a list of programs that start with your computer. Right-click on any program you don't need running in the background and select Disable. Remember, only disable programs you're confident you don't need running all the time. Section 5. Unleashing the power within performance settings. Windows often defaults to balanced power settings to conserve energy. While this is great for laptops, it can sometimes limit your computer's performance. Switching to Ultimate Performance mode can give your PC a noticeable speed boost. Here's how to do it. First, click on the Windows Start button. Then, type Power Options and press Enter. Next, click on Show Additional Plans. Finally, select Ultimate Performance. Keep in mind that this mode will use more power, so it's best used on desktops or when you need maximum performance. Section 6. Deep Dive Cleaning System Files. Over time, your computer accumulates temporary files, log files, and other digital debris that can clog up your hard drive. Think of it like dust bunnies under your bed. They don't serve a purpose and just take up space. The cleanmgr command in Command Prompt is a powerful tool that can help you clean up these system files and free up gigabytes of space. First, click on the Windows Start button. Then type CMD and press Enter to open Command Prompt. Next, type cleanmgr and press Enter. Select the drive you want to clean and click OK. Check the boxes next to the types of files you want to delete and click OK. This process might take a while, but it's a great way to give your computer a deep clean. Section 7. The Driver Update Dilemma. Remember those translators we talked about earlier? Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause all sorts of problems, from slow performance to crashes and errors. There are several ways to update your drivers, but we recommend using a free tool called Driver Booster. It scans your computer for outdated drivers and updates them automatically. First, download and install Driver Booster from a reputable source. Then, launch Driver Booster and click on Scan. Driver Booster will list all outdated drivers. Click on Update Now to update all drivers automatically. Regularly updating your drivers ensures that your hardware and software are communicating effectively, leading to a smoother and faster computing experience. Section 8. The need for speed before and after. Remember that feeling of frustration when your computer was running slow? After applying the tips in this guide, you should notice a significant difference. Your computer should boot faster, programs should load quicker, and everything should feel snappier and more responsive. It's like the difference between driving an old beat-up car and a brand new sports car. You'll be amazed at how much of a difference a few simple tweaks can make. Section 9. Join the speed revolution. Congratulations! You've now learned the secrets to transforming your slow PC into a speed machine. Remember to perform these maintenance tasks regularly to keep your computer running at its best. Have any questions or want to share your success story? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Let's make slow computers a thing of the past.